right now. Hello.
Jabba, what's happening?
Oh, it's my brother from another mother. Spar and Bernstein. Hey, Spar, I swear to God. Yo, I swear on everything.
Which man is Spar or Bernstein?
Listen to me. Spar, it's Spar and Bernstein.
Right.
Yeah, but this is Brad I'm talking to. But I gotta talk about your
talking to
company.
Brad.
Because if I don't know if I Google Brad Bernstein, I'm gonna see you come up on the internet. But I know if I Google Spar and Bernstein, I know something is gonna come up. So
no,
I try not to.
You Google Brad Bernstein.
Yeah,
Spar Bernstein comes up too.
I try not to say, "Hey, Brad." You know what I mean?
What's that?
When we're on the radio, I try not to say, "Hey, Brad." I try to say Spar and Bernstein because I want to promote your company, brother.
Okay, well, thank you.
Listen,
all right, so you can promote me too.
All right,
if you Google Brad Bernstein, I pop right up.
No, I know
if
you will.
Google
I know you. I know that.
I was up number one.
No, I know that, but I was just trying to pretty up my conversation. You know what I mean? But I know that Brad Bernstein. When they hear that Brad, they say, "Yo, that's the man." Trust me. And today I was watching Channel 7 News before I came over here. And I saw the news.
Saw what happened, right?
I saw President Obama drop a Scud missile for all Caribbean people, all Latinos, all Canadians, all who've been here from the age of 16 to 30. If they don't have a criminal record, they can now be in America. And guess what? Who calls in my show on a Friday? Never done before. Mr. Brad Bernstein to tell us what's going on with President Obama and this freedom ticket.
So basically what happened, Jabba, is that President Obama has said, if you came to the United States prior to your 16th birthday and you graduated school, you went into the military, and as of today, you are under 30 years old, President Obama says, we're going to give you something called deferred enforced departure, which is a promise by the U.S. government not to deport you. When you get put in that position, you automatically get a work permit. And you get that work permit for 2 years, and you can renew it every 2 years for the rest of your life. So once you get that deferred enforced departure from the U.S. government, you cannot be, unless, of course, you commit a crime down the line and you're convicted of a crime, but you cannot be deported, and you are going to become legal to live in the United States with a work permit. And with that work permit, you will be able to work, you'll be able to go to school, you'll be able to get a job. You can do what you want. Now, it's not a green card. Why he's doing this is because he wants people to live a better life, and he wants people who came here at a young age who had no say in whether they chose to come here or not. Nobody told the 7-year-old. A 7-year-old never said to his mother, "Mom, let me go to the United States and let me go to school there." Okay, it wasn't.
Oh boy. Thanks, Mix-a-Lot. Let's try to find back Brad. Run back our rhythm again one more time. Run back our rhythm around. See me answer, Brad? Sin, why your eyeballs is open up so wide, man? Don't worry about it. It happens like that sometimes. The number is 718-749-5005. If you didn't hear the news, we're trying to get back Brad Bernstein on the radio. So it's like, oh, hold up. We're trying to get him right back on the radio. So it's like, they have a law President Obama just passed today. If you're from the age of 16 to 30, you know what I mean? You have no criminal records. You're going to school. You're doing your thing. You're living a positive life. We got back Brad? All right, let me make Brad finish. Hey, Brad, you there?
Yeah, I don't know where I got disconnected. I'm on my cell phone right now.
Oh, you got disconnected at the part when you were saying that you're in America, you could get your work permit, you could work, and so on and so on.
Correct. So you're in America, you can get your work permit, you can get your driver's license, you can get your social security number, and as long as you don't have any criminal records that make you deportable, you're going to be able to live in America for the rest of your life. At some point down the line, I am sure Congress will pass a law that will allow you to eventually get your green cards and eventually become a citizen. But this is a first step. A step that is well overdue, and a step that's going to allow a lot of children, a lot of people, to become legal. Now, let me tell you, there's 5 things you need to have in order for this to come true for you. Okay, take this down. All of these have to be in your favor for you to qualify. Number 1, you had to be in the United States prior to your 16th birthday. If you weren't in the United States prior to your 16th birthday, you're not going to qualify. Number 2, you have to be in the United States for at least 5 years. So if you have not been in the United States for at least 5 years, you're not going to qualify. Number 3, you have to be in school on your way to getting a high school diploma, or already have received your high school diploma, or you have joined the military. Number 4, you have to be under 30 years old as of today. And number 5, you can't have any criminal convictions that make you deportable. If this, they're about over, they say, I read in the New York Times today, 800,000 people that this is going to affect. It's probably going to affect 2 million people. It's affecting lots of people who are listening to me right now. So if this affects you and you qualify, what you should be doing, not tomorrow, not Sunday, not Monday, not Tuesday, but now, pick up the telephone, call my telephone number, schedule an appointment to come see me. Let's make sure you qualify. Let's put the documents together so that you can get your deferred enforced departure and you can get your work permit. And I'm going to give you the telephone number right now to call. If nobody picks up, just leave your name and number. We will get back to you. The telephone number is 1-800-526-7977. That's 1-800-526-7977. And when you call, you can leave your name and number. We will get back to you. If not tonight, by tomorrow, you can schedule an appointment to come in to see us, and I will be able to help you and qualify you for what is basically the best news on the immigration front in the last decade.
So, Brad, let's get it clear quick, fast before you go. I know you're very busy, right?
Yeah.
So, basically...
Well, I'm driving on the highway now, and I'm completely lost, but I'm on the radio, so...
Yeah,
that's what it is. I'm driving in circles right now.
Listen now, Brad. Let's be clear. From the you have to be living in America over 5 years.
Correct.
Right. You have to be from the age of 16 to 30. Yeah. Right.
You have to know. Let's go through this again.
Yeah,
you have to have been in America before your 16th birthday.
Okay.
Number 1. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Number 1.
Okay. Number 2, you have to be here for 5 years.
Yeah.
Number 3, you have to either be in elementary school or high school, or have graduated high school, or be in the military.
Okay, that's number 3.
Right. Number 4, you have to be under 30.
Number 5.
And number 5, no criminal records that make you deportable.
All right, one question now, Brad. One question before I give up the phone number one more time,
Sure.
right? Check this. Say for instance, a person qualifies all that, but they got arrested for driving like with a suspended license.
That's not a deportable offense.
All right, just want to make sure. All right, don't worry about it, bro. You're gonna be in America. Don't worry about it.
That's exactly it. That's exactly it.
I got a friend of mine. He's gonna be in America. You better call Brad Bernstein right now. 800-526-7977. 800-526-7977. Don't wait till after Father's Day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Call right now. What time the office is open till, Brad?
Well, our office is right now open for about another 20 minutes, but I know we've been getting a lot of calls. I don't have enough people to answer the phones, but if you don't get a live human being, leave a message. We will get back to you.
People, let's give you the number one more time. Don't waste time with your children's freedom or your freedom. 800-526-7977. Brad, turn on the GPS and please get some extra help out there for the Father's Day weekend to help these people.
We will.
Right?
We're ramping up as you speak.
And happy Father's Day to you, my brother, all right?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Take care.